Yesterday I released SupaVlog. So SupaVlog is a vlog application template that lets you record videos and have them in a sequential order like a blog, but with video. It's available, supavlog.com, and the source is also available. It's a starter kit. I'm not trying to release a new product. This is a starter kit for other people to use as a template, contribute to if they'd like. That would be great. Yeah, just generally get involved. And distribution channels such as YouTube and Instagram and Reels on Facebook and so on are probably the way to get an audience, but it's nice to own your own video content. So that's one of the reasons I created this. So as I said, the source is on GitHub. It's a Next.js application. It makes use of Supabase for authentication, for video and thumbnail storage, for edge functions, for communication between the video solution that I'm using and callbacks when the video is available, thumbnails available. It also uses something called Stream, which are probably best known for chat and kind of activity streams, but they've also got a video and audio product which I've used here, which was nice and easy to get up and running. Unsurprisingly, it also uses Hookdeck for the asynchronous messaging between Stream and the Supabase edge functions, which consume these events, download videos, put them into Supabase storage along with a thumbnail. So this is the application. You can see some vlogs that are available now. Hi Greg, hi Mark. This is a mobile view, so it zooms quite close into your face. Thumbnails are automatically generated via Stream. It supports screen sharing, which is pretty cool. Out of the box, again, that's a Stream-enabled feature. And I'll show you recording a vlog. So it's all in the browser. You can change, which is quite useful, you can change the settings for the video you're using. You can also change which microphone it's going to use. Clicking start starts it, starts the recording. Once this goes red, it is recording. Hello, this is a video of me talking about SupaVlog. It's also quite useful at the end because the thumbnails are captured kind of as they're going to hold a pose. If I go into vlogs now, I'll probably have to need to wait a second to see this one appear. There we go, it's still processing. So what's happening here is Stream has recorded that. We can see that the thumbnail has appeared. It's making webhook callbacks through Hookdeck, being routed through to Supabase edge functions with a URL for the video, downloading the video, putting those in a bucket within Supabase, and also doing the same with the thumbnail. So this will actually be available now, I would think. This is a video of me talking about SupaVlog. There we go. That's an overview of that. There's also a blog post that covers how it was built, why and how it was built. So talk about the components that we used, the functionality, little diagrams, and I talk about each of the components within these services in a bit of detail. Some demos, authentication's in there as well, so everything's secured. There's row level RLS, is that right? Supabase, row level security is in place to stop people editing other people's videos or deleting them. So there's a lot of detail here around how it was built and it's open source. So there we go. That's SupaVlog. Sign up is open at the minute. As I said, I'm not trying to build a product and I don't really want to have to manage other people's videos. So I may turn off sign up, which is a configuration option at some point. What I really would like to do is people to contribute to this project and also spin up their own versions. And that would be great. So let me know what you think of SupaVlog.